Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you why I can't add my debit credit cards to my PayPal account. First of all, open the PayPal app on your device, then sign up for your account. I have already signed up. If you're unable to add a debit or credit card to your PayPal account, there could be several reasons. First, check whether your account is verified, as unverified accounts are not allowed to link cards. Also, the billing address you enter must match the address on your card statement. If it doesn't, the card may be declined. PayPal sends a $1 temporary charge to verify the card, and if this is declined by your bank, the card cannot be linked. If you've already added the maximum number of cards, you'll need to remove one before adding a new one. Entering the CSC code incorrectly 3 times can also result in the card being blocked. The card may already be linked to another PayPal account or to one that has been closed, which can cause issues. If the card was added but not confirmed, it will not be fully functional. Lastly, make sure you're logged into the correct PayPal account. Review all these points carefully to successfully link your card. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.